Hey guys, Jeff here with Fat Kids Barbecue. Tonight we got a nice easy cook to do. We're going to do a tri-tip roast. So I've got a couple of grills going on. You noticed earlier I got the Traeger going. We had a baked potato on there, and then we also have some zucchini and squash ratatouille cooking. Over here we have our PK grill, the portable kitchen grill, warming up, and we're going to actually do the tri-tip on it. So for the tri-tip, we're going to do a real simple seasoning on it. I really like this Montreal steak by McCormick. It's fantastic. We're just going to sprinkle that right over the top. As you see. Then we'll flip it over and get the backside as well. So I did get this steak from Porter Road. This tri-tip, excuse me, from Porter Road. I will put a link down below in the comments. We are going to kick it up a little bit with the spicy seasoning too, so that'll help it out. Now we do have the portable kitchen warming up. It's going to be about 275 degrees. I do want it to drop a little bit. We'll cook this thing for probably 30 minutes. I want it to hit about 110 degrees, you know, maybe 115, in that range. And then what we'll do is then we're going to sear it. So we're using the reverse sear method today. So we'll get to cooking. Alright guys, so our tri-tip roast came up to about 115 degrees. We want to end it at about probably 125 today. So what we're going to do is going to pop open the PK cooker here. We're going to put this right on top of the coals, and we're going to do our reverse sear part. We'll leave it down here for about probably 2 minutes. Alright, so we're going to flip this guy over. It's been about 2 minutes. And that's starting to look beautiful. Alright guys, so we're back in the kitchen. We have our beautiful baked potatoes. They look amazing. We have our nice smoked ratatouille. That looks like it's going to be delicious as well. In fact, I think I have to try a bite of one of these things. Wow. That really is amazing. So now we're going to check the temperature of our tri-tip roast. We're going to see how we did. I'm hoping I hit, let's say 130 maybe. 135, in that range. That'll give me a nice medium rare, nice medium. And would you look at that? We're looking at a perfect 130. So that's fantastic. Now let's cut this guy open and see how we really did. Boy, is that beautiful. If you take a look at that, that is perfectly medium. Let's give it a bite. Boy, does that taste good. That's unbelievable. I have to have another bite. I really like that. Nice smoked flavor. You can see the temperature. It came out beautiful. Nice and medium. A little on the medium rare side, which is good. And that really does melt in your mouth. Thanks guys. If you like what you see, click the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Wow. Unbelievable.